What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Litecoin and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So it looks as though, from what we can see on the charts, Litecoin has been absolutely crushed recently by the recent correction in the market. As we can see, it was down well over 72. It was down well over 70% to around 71% down from its recent all-time high at basically its lowest point. It's one of the cryptos that hasn't actually recovered that much whatsoever from what we can see, and has actually been steadily trading downwards for a much longer period of time than most cryptos. As we can see, it's been very, very bearish for basically the entirety of the time, for basically the past month or so, as we can see. If we take a look at the 19th of May here, where we saw the huge correction in the market, we can see that we did flip very bearish. We got the bearish flip of the EMAs, and we've actually been trading down inside of this channel for some time anyway. As we can see here, the price has been trading down, been struggling to break out above this this line of resistance here, as you can see. Then we got this flip of the EMAs here, and the price absolutely tanked down a massive amount. I think, let's just see how much this was in one day. We're down literally around 50% in one day, which is absolutely insane. Obviously, we got a small relief rally here, but we failed to get back above the 50 EMA, coming down, struggling to get above even the 20 here, as we can see. Then obviously we got this big super overextended correction to the downside, as we can quite clearly see here. We did actually bounce off this previous level of strong level of support, as we can see here, at around $118 for Litecoin, as we can see. We did actually bounce back up, but we basically haven't actually seen we didn't actually see the breakout of the channel that we've been outlining for some time. Let me just get rid of these lines. I don't like the charts to be too confusing, you see, so people can understand what I'm talking about. But as you can see, we got a nice relief rally here, but we actually got back above the EMAs, and we did flip the EMAs bullish here, as we can see. But we failed to get actually above or out of this long period of resistance that we have been seeing for some time here, as we can see. We've actually failed to break this resistance on numerous occasions here. All the way down, we were just bouncing off this resistance, hitting our head against it essentially. But it does look as though now we have finally seen a breakout of that resistance, and we are making higher lows here, which is very important in our opinion. Higher lows are very, very important. As you can see, we've obviously been smashing our head against this resistance for some time, but we have actually broken out of it now here, and we've flipped bullish on the EMAs as well, with the 20 flipping the 50. So things are looking quite good for Litecoin in our opinion. Obviously, we're massively down still from the all-time high, which was, I believe, around $415. We're still down around 56% from the all-time high, but it does look as though Litecoin is slowly starting to recover. As we said in pretty much all of our videos today, most top cryptos are heavily correlated with Bitcoin right now, and Litecoin is no exception. Obviously, it has a high correlation to Bitcoin's price action usually anyway. But as you can quite clearly see, Litecoin had been performing very well recently. It was starting to get up ahead of steam. But obviously, this recent correction has absolutely smashed it back down to levels that it hasn't seen for a good while here, basically since the end of March. So it's been a few months since we've been at these levels. But it does seem as though Litecoin is starting to recover somewhat. Obviously, it remains to be seen what's going to happen, because Bitcoin is leading the market heavily right now. But we do think that Litecoin is a project that is pretty bullish. It's getting a good amount of adoption, and it's going to get integrated with all kinds of things like PayPal, and most likely with Visa and MasterCard accepting crypto payments, all kinds of things like this. Litecoin is obviously much more of a useful crypto in terms of transacting than Bitcoin is, which is one of its main use cases. So we do think that Litecoin is potentially bullish for the long term as well, because it's probably going to get a good amount of use, as well as just people investing in it for basically speculation and plenty of other reasons that people invest in cryptos, like the technology, for example. So we are quite bullish on Litecoin. Short-term price prediction, what we'd like to see is essentially either coming back down and retesting this level here, where I will draw a line because it seems like quite a key level. Let's just make, oh, my goodness me. Properly messing up all my controls today, as usual. This thing just can't handle me and what's going on right now. So as you can see, we've formed quite a nice level of support here at around 155. So potentially 2 scenarios that will play out. We'll see Litecoin roll and retest this again, which it will probably hold because as you can see, it's tested it many times. It's been performing quite well. Or what we'll see is we'll get this A, B, C movement where we'll make a higher high as well as higher lows. So we've made a higher low here and a higher high. We've come back down, made a higher low. And now what we want to see is breaking this resistance here at 215, which does seem to be quite a key level of resistance and support historically, as we can see. Previous swing highs and previous swing lows as support. We want to see Litecoin breaking through this 215 here and basically making a higher high as well. So undo, 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 undo. So as you can see, we can get if we can get the higher lows, higher high, higher low, and then the higher high, retest this this previous higher high here as support at around 215. If we can get that, then we're primed for continuation. Obviously, it remains to be seen whether we'll get that, but it seems as though it's definitely possible considering that we've got this nice little rally here. We've got this much smaller correction. So if we can get a nice long rally like this as well, we're definitely going to be looking very bullish for Litecoin. Obviously, if Bitcoin can get back above 41k, then we do think everything is going to resume very nicely. It remains to be seen if that's going to be happening in the next few weeks. And we could be seeing something like this, which has been falling for most cryptos, which is kind of basically a pennant, which could be breaking to the upside or the downside, depending on what the sentiment is for the market. But it seems like this is going to be decided very soon. So long term for Litecoin, we do think that it's definitely potentially got well over $1,000 potential by the end of the year. Considering that its all-time high is around $412 here, as we can see. It does seem very likely to us that we could probably do a 5 to 10x from that all-time high, considering how small its market cap still is. I believe the market cap is around $15 to $20 billion, so excuse me. A 10x from that is not that unreasonable, considering that most top cryptos are going to be hundreds of billions of market cap as well, with Bitcoin probably between 3 to 7 trillion by the end of the bull run, most likely, and Ethereum well over $1 trillion. Basically, a market cap of around 100 or 200 billion for Litecoin doesn't seem unreasonable at all for us, in our opinion. So that's our video on Litecoin today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Like, comment, and subscribe to be in with the chance of winning a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check them out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up. We've had well over 100 people sign up so far, but many were confused as to why they didn't receive the free stocks, and from our analytics this is most likely because we haven't deposited the $100 yet, so make sure to do that to be eligible. As we said, you can withdraw the money from the platform if you wish after receiving them. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.